Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 9 of the 31 Days of Halloween challenge, and we are going to make a Halloween themed pillowcase that I've been really wanting to do and get a little bit more practice on quilting. We are going to make an envelope type of pillow instead of one with a zipper opening. So the fabrics I chose was this lime green witchy bat type of fabric. I also wanted to work on a fabric that I haven't used it on anything other than a side project I did a few weeks ago. And then I decided I wanted purple with the lime green. I thought this was the only purple that I had, but turns out I looked in the bag a little deeper and I found another fabric piece that also had purple background with pumpkins and witches hats, so I decided I wanted to use those two instead of the other. For the purple pieces, I decided to do 2 inches wide, and then for the centerpiece I did 4 by 4. I just did probably 4 strips of the purple fabric as well as the green, and they were both 2 inches wide. And then for the seam allowance, I just did 1/2 inch. And the way I sewed it was essentially just me going around the square from right to left, like clockwise. Since I'm new to quilting, I just did something really simple for me and easy for me to follow. Mind you, this isn't my very first time ever doing like a quilting type of pattern. You'll see my first quilt in a couple of days. For funsies, I actually used the other purple fabric for a little bit more, I don't know, creativity, I suppose. And here is what my pillowcase is looking like so far. I'm really happy with it. Like, it's just, oh, I love the color combo. Okay, I know this is really cliche of me, but my back piece is going to be the black and white stripe piece that constantly reminds me of Beetlejuice. And the pieces are 15 by 10. I added an extra inch or so I can do this part where I'm essentially folding 1/2 inch on the opening to give it a nice folded look when overlapping each other. And now it's time to pin the 2 pieces around the front piece. And again, my seam allowance is 1/2 inch. And here's the piece before I stuff it with the pillow. I honestly love the way it turned out. It looked way better than my first quilt. And now it's time to stuff it with the pillow to see how it fully looks. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. I love it so much. And this is how I completed my first quilted pillowcase. I hope you guys like the patterns I use and my color combo just as much as I did. And if you guys did like it, please give this video a nice like. Also, if you want to follow me and my other social media accounts, all the links are down below in the description box as well. I mean, like, I don't record every single crafty thingy I do unless it's my first time actually doing it. So yeah, check those links down below in the description box and see what I'll be making in the future. And on that note, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more crafting videos I will be doing in the future and the rest of the content I will be releasing for the month of October for the 31 Days of Halloween challenge. And I would like to say thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Take care. Bye.